Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. If this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. So tonight I'm here with okra recipe, okra soup recipe, and these are the things I'm using. I have my cooked meat, my smoked catfish, my spinach washed already, my sliced onion. I have my fresh okra sliced already. I have my Maggi seasoning cube. I have my salt, my blended fresh pepper and crayfish. I have my palm oil. I put back the meat to the pot and added the dry catfish, added some onion, and covered the pot and boiled for some minutes. So I'm going ahead with my okra into the pot. Add my crayfish and my pepper. Add my red oil and stir together. And stir together. So I'm going to add my 2 cubes of Maggi and a little bit salt to it. I added my spinach and locust beans. So sorry I didn't show you guys. Then I mixed together and allowed to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes because I don't like overcooking my vegetables. My okra soup is ready and it's quite easy and fast because I have all my stuffs prepared already in the freezer. And here is our soup. Does it look good? Go grab your fufu, go grab your eba, grab your pounded yam, and let's have dinner together. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video.